Hi guys, so today I'm going to unbox a very special thing. Background noise आ रही होगी पर अब से नहीं है. So I got this thing from Amazon. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can hear me, but let me open it. Okay, so now I got a cloth. I mean to get this. मैं बात थोड़ी कर ली है. So guys, I hope you can hear me now properly without any background noise. Because construction is going on, it was very difficult for me to shoot video, and this is for one of my friend. He suggested me to use a mic. So if you are seeing this video, just comment down. So guys, just in case you need details of this mic that I'm using, I got it from Amazon, and this is Boya BYV10. It costed me around 2200. I don't know if I made a wise choice to purchase this right now, because I'm just a beginner and I'm not even getting that good views till I purchase this. In the hope that my videos will work one day.